When you think of pollinators, what are you thinking of? You likely brought to mind images of bees and butterflies, but did you know flies are the second most important pollinators? However, we still have a lot to learn about their role in pollination compared to what we know of other pollinators, which brings forth the question, how do you collect data on fast-moving flies from all over the world during a global pandemic? And how do we do that without ever leaving our desks? My name is Sarah Romer, and I'm a sophomore studying wildlife and conservation biology. I come from my small hometown of Newcomerstown, Ohio, a village technically, and this summer I was given the opportunity to interact with dozens of photographers from all over the world without ever leaving home. In the spring, I was invited to join Dr. Becca Brody's lab. The goal of my assigned project was to help create a better understanding of the role flies play as pollinators. As a whole, flies are difficult to study in the field, so we had to get creative when considering a mode of study. We used a method of research called crowdsourcing, in which researchers search through images on social media to obtain their data. Using this technique, we specifically searched for images of flies on flowers, and then collected data on the image such as fly genus and species, flower genus and species, flower color, the date, and the location. To collect this data, I messaged questions to photographers from all over the world, from amateurs to professionals to naturalists to people who stumbled across a pretty flower. They were all able to collaborate on our project, which was quickly becoming an international effort. I talked to people who had uploaded their photos within the past year, and I talked to people who had uploaded their photos a decade ago. Almost everyone expressed excitement that their work was a part of this massive citizen science project. Now, more than ever before, people are physically divided, but we have also discovered that we are more connected than we had imagined. With the help of those photographers, we collected over 1,000 data images without once entering the field. Science is leaning more and more towards projects involving citizen participants and widening our perspectives to new data collecting techniques.